this is Nikita, your fashion guide, and I'm going to be teaching you all a lot of DIYs today that you can do for your Valentine. So we've got sketch pens in here, we've got nice photographs, so you can have photographs of your girlfriend. All of that. I need a lot of art sheets, I need a lot of papers, a lot of crafty, lovely looking papers, thick material to be honest, and a lot of ropes like you can see. And I'm going to start my beam. I'm going to start with how to make a cage. So here we go. So primarily you need a cage. It's nice and cute. Since we have fairy lights with us, what you could do is wrap it all around, light them up, and obviously put it on some nice desk or table or something, and you can always call your better half into the room and surprise her. What you could also do is have nice flowers like you can see, and you can nicely decorate it all. So starting with what I would first like you to do is nicely twine the fairy light around the cage. So we'll start with that quickly like you can see. Leave a little end of it so that when you need a connection, a plug socket or something, it just, if it's far enough, also it's still got that little leverage to be away. So like I showed you all, we have flowers in here, Raghav, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to nicely insert these flowers right here so that it looks pretty. And girls generally like all of this because it's so pretty. Can you all see it? So we've nicely stuck the flowers. We're done with our little cage. What we are also going to do is we are going to make her love coupons. Take art sheet, cut little tiny pieces of it, and all you got to do is take fancy scissors like you can see, nice and fancy scissors which gives you nice outlines, and just roughly cut it like you can see. And love coupons are something that she is gonna really like, because all you gotta do is on these love coupons, which are empty now, you gotta write your messages on. So you could write something like a dinner date or a spa date or a walk on the beach or whatever it is. Choose her favorite color. My favorite color is purple, so I'm gonna write on with purple with it. You can always make it a little fancy by sticking stuff or by painting it or using different colored paper. So there we go. We're going to drop it inside the cage like that. And what we're going to do is these will always stay inside the cage, and it's going to be keeping her really happy, because something like a spa date would mean whenever she presents this coupon to you, you just have to make sure you have to take her on a spa date. Also, I'll be moving you all a little there, and I'll be showing you all the final cage. So that's how it's gonna look, your cage. I hope you all liked it. You could probably just make sure you put it on a little nicely. You can always spread it around and tighten it or whatever, so it's nice. So people, this is the cage that I showed you all. This is exactly how it's gonna look, and doesn't it look pretty? It looks really nice. Imagine lighting up two like these, and it's gonna be looking so pretty when she walks into the room. She's gonna be so happy. Not only that, when she opens this up, and like you can see the love coupons inside, she's gonna be so happy, and you're gonna be so damn impressed with. She's gonna make sure she gives you everything possible she can after this, because I'm sure she is gonna love this, and she's gonna really appreciate your effort. So this was your first preparation for the decor of your room. Moving on, we have another one. Just take wiring like this, like sutli it's called, and make sure you get strings of this, chop, 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 and all you gotta do is cut it, cut one real long one like y'all can see, and you've got 4 down which are of equal lengths. Make sure they're of equal lengths. All you gotta do is tape it around. This is what it is like. Just tape it up. Like you can see, just make sure you pin the tape up. It's nicely taped, so it's not gonna quite come off, like y'all can see. The next thing that I have in store for y'all is get nice sheets of paper. It could be glossy, it could be printed, it could be anything and everything that y'all would like. What I'm going to be doing next is you fold it into half and you make a heart, like a like a half and heart out of it, and all you got to do is cut it. So let's go, my boys. Chop, 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 chop. That's a cute little heart that you see in here. Nicely, I like the color of it, and it's gonna really make her happy because these are colors that girls like. So you just put it on, and the next thing that you do is, all you're gonna do is take this and start sticking the hearts. It's gonna be a very simple thing to do since you already have sellotape on. It's gonna stick really quick on this, and make sure you stick it well. Just make sure it's nicely stuck. So we go with alternate hearts, like you can see. Just go on sticking. So this is one string with the hearts. I'm going to straighten it out, and this is the other one, like y'all can see. The next step now is very simple. You get nice cute photographs of your chick. So these are just mine. Moving on, we have nice cute little clips that you can see, nice colored ones, because girls find all of this really attractive, nice vibrant colors. So all you gotta do is not stick the photographs, but you gotta hook them up. So this is exactly how we're gonna hook them up. Just pin them up. This is how it's gonna end up looking against the wall. If you can see, this was your second DIY, like I showed y'all. Something like this bottle, like you can see. So these love coupons that y'all made, what y'all could also do is, so get a colored bottle like this. You also get gelatin paper sheets like this, which are stickable. There's no much effort in this. Just wrap it around neatly and you get like a nice cork with it. And all you gotta do is roll it up. Just roll your chits up. So the chits we made, ta-da, make sure you nicely roll them up and just put it in. Just fit it in like that, and you're done then. And whenever she wants, she can pluck it out. So make sure she has a bottle full of these chits that will really make her happy. And since you love her a lot, just show it to her, shower her with a lot of gifts and pamper her the most you can. So there we go. There are chits inside, like you can see, nicely corked. And that is one DIY. So I taught y'all 3 today, and I hope y'all liked it. I'm signing out. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you for viewing. Bye bye.